महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि भारत के संविधान का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए। महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि जम्मू कश्मीर पुनर्गठन अधिनियम 2019 का संशोधन करने वाले विधेयक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति दी जाए। महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि संघ राज्य क्षेत्र शासन
Constitution 130 Amendment Bill 2025, sir. Sir, this violates principle of separation of powers, due process, undermines right of the people to elect a government. Sir, it gives executive agencies a free run to become judge and jury executioner based on flimsy allegations, suspicions, sir. Sir, only when an offence is proved beyond reasonable doubt, then only you can leave the post and the membership. But here a mere accusation, allegation, the punishment of losing one ministerial post will follow. Sir, Parliament democracy's chief ministers and ministers can only be removed through true means. First, executive prime minister can recommend their removal. This bill would empower the unelected executive and bureaucracy to play the role of legislature. Sir, it undermines representative parliament democracy. This amendment would leave the minister and CM at the mercy of executive agencies. The severity of the amendment is not only in the fact that one loses their position if they are arrested, but even if they are detained. Detention is administrative action, doesn't require offence to be made. Sir, the chief minister will not be able to accountable people. I want to know from the Honourable Home Minister, as he read Article 74(1), which says that the Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister to aid and advise the President who shall, in exercise of his function, act in accordance with such advice. Now, this bill clearly violates 74(1). Sir, this is the 1933 Gestapo when Gestapo was found in Germany. This government is hell-bent on creating a police state. This will be a death knell and leash on elected government, sir. Indian Constitution is being amended to turn this country into a police state. BNS 152, the Home Minister promised in this House that sedition would not be used. Section 316, Section 9 of BNS, PMLA Section 4, all these can be used to destabilize an elected government, sir. That is why I oppose the introduction of all these three bills. This is nothing but creating a Gestapo to ensure that our democracy does not survive.
I ask a question to the Honourable Home Minister. When he was the Home Minister of Gujarat, he had been arrested, sir. Whether he took the morality of that point of time.
आप मुझे सुनो जरा, मुझे सुनो ना, पहले बैठ जाओ। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, मैं रिकॉर्ड क्लियर करना चाहता हूं। मुझ पर झूठे आरोप लगाए तब अरेस्ट होने के पहले मैंने नैतिकता के मूल्यों का हवाला देकर।
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.